We actually even want that democracy to be in place. It's not right. That is why we met. We met so that the president will hear. And we are going to take more actions. We met so that National Assembly people who want to spend 160 million naira buying vehicles, and when they are telling people, when Akpabio was telling allow Nigerians to breathe, allow Nigerians to breathe, and allowing them to breathe is for them to have common water. 3 square meal, not even 3 square meal. Nobody has a 3 square meal. Even the rich people don't have 3 square meals anymore. Talk less the ordinary person. The ordinary person, if they're able to have 1 meal a day, they are happy. But then there are legislators who are decreeing all of these things, who are legislating all of these things. I don't want to say decree because nowadays it's looking like decree. Are spending 160 million naira to buy one vehicle, and eventually you will see some of them have 3 or 4 or 5 on their convoy. In leadership, they say, do as I do, and not as I say. If I'm leading you and I'm able to say, if you see as I live my life, live it. And if you are living your life the way I live my life, you are walking the way I walk, everything will be okay. The executive branch, the legislative branch cannot say this to the ordinary Nigerians. These things are threatening. And it's because of that threat that we decided to reach out. We're not talking about merger. We will do it at the political front as political party leaders. Some of us will also do it at the patriotic front as patriots. Just as I said, we are summoning a group of patriots. They will come out soon so that they are reaching out to the presidency. Save our democracy.
Okay.
It's critical. The IPAC is Inter-Party Advisory Council. It's like a regulatory body, actually, to form the code of members, in the code within the members, to see member political party and even political practitioners. That's what IPAC is about. But what we've done is a coalition, a cost coalition. There's a cost. The country is being threatened. The political system is being threatened. The Nigerian people are going hungry. The signals, there are red signals everywhere. The red signals that there is danger. There's danger to our democracy. There's danger. People are being threatened. In Kaduna the other day, you saw the level of insecurity and so on. There's danger. So this coalition is for a cause of action. Please, these things are not right. We are calling you to action, and it's not just about only one person doing it. If a coalition of 11 political parties will come together to say, Mr. President, look, this direction is not right, that is something serious.
Okay.
It's not about IPAC. But I've heard of that. I've heard of it. I think they held their meeting for the first time yesterday. We heard of it, but then I can't. We don't know the objective. Dino has reached out to me, and we are going to discuss. If it's something that will do good for the country, I tell you, we'll be part of it. But if it's something that is self-serving, we will not be part of it. We are a patriotic national party. We are focused on vision for the country. We want to turn the virtues of this country around. And when it's being threatened, I will look for everybody who stands for the things that we stand for, so that we start to fight on time. Because with all our experience, if things go wrong, people will say, but you all have experience. My experience, what is happening in Kano is not right. My experience, whether it's within the judiciary or is being manipulated politically, what is happening in Kano is not right. It may cause the third revolution. And we've been able to contain NSAS. We're able to contain the ballot revolution that happened during the general election. The third one, in my own local plan, they say, first one, maybe you succeed. Second one, you succeed. That if it comes to the third one, there may be serious trouble. And that's why I'm disturbed. That's why I'm disturbed. However way they want to, the APC, it's APC that you have 21 states. You want to take Plateau, you want to take Kano, you want to take Abia. Is that democracy? So APC should call their members to order and stop embarrassing our courts. APC should call their members to order. Stop embarrassing our courts. Because what they're doing is more or less out of their own personal greed. They're embarrassing the courts. You don't know how they're blackmailing them and threatening them. It's not right. If you have 21, it's greed. It's beyond greed in a democracy for you not to be satisfied with that. Especially where we are sure that minority parties without anything won election because of the love of the people. Don't cause the third revolution consecutively, because we may not survive it.